What I eat in one day? Nah, let's do what I eat in 2 days. Hello. Today I am going to share not 1, but 2 days of what I eat in a day. My first day, I was still at our old home, so I'm gonna take you through that day and share with you what I ate. Well, I get 23 points a day on Weight Watchers, and this morning I was busy and heading out the door for an appointment, so of course, I grabbed black coffee to sip on the way, but I also had 2 slices of turkey bacon. Turkey bacon is 1 point a piece, and I also had a banana. So that was my breakfast this morning. We're in the laundry room, and I am getting my cup because I want to start my water for the day. I always add ice to my water. I like my water really cold, and if I'm not in the mood for just plain water, I add in like Crystal Light or even like a little squeeze of lemon, something like that to give it some flavor. But I'm starting off with just plain ice water right now, and I try to get 2 of these cups in a day. I usually go over that because I sip on water all day long. So that's a benefit. For lunch, I'm gonna have a salad. Jason went to the store and we have all kinds of things to kind of deck out the salad. We have a bag of lettuce we're working our way through, and this is a 0 points. Carving board turkey for 2 ounces, it's 1 point. 1 tablespoon of bacon bits is 1 point. 1 string cheese, I get these at Sam's Club. This is 2 points. I'm gonna break it up and put it in the salad. And 1 tablespoon of regular ranch dressing is 2 points. So I'm going to put the salad together really quickly. Tonight for dinner, we haven't had this in quite a while and we're all pretty excited about it. Looking forward to it. We are having nachos. So in my pan, I have a pound of lean ground beef. And then in this pan, I have some, it's a nacho cheese soup. If this is too high, I can always use shredded. And then in the back, I have some refried beans. And of course, if you want, you can use fat-free refried beans. That's less points, but I just have the regular. I am adding a packet of taco seasoning. This is just the Taco Bell brand. You can make your own. That's good too. I've done that before. And then a 3/4 cup of water. I'm gonna let that melt into the burger and flavor it up and make it super delicious. Okay, so I'm figuring out all my points for nachos, and 3 ounces of lean ground beef is 3 points. If you use turkey, it's 0 points for turkey. I have Santita chips. I'm sure if you use baked, it would be less points, or you'd get more for the same amount of points is what I'm thinking. I don't know, but I have these ones. So for 10 of these chips, it is 4 points. Fat-free cheddar cheese for 1/4 to 1/2 cup, it is 1 point. And I have light sour cream, so for 1 tablespoon of this, it is 1 point. And then I have free foods, which is green olives, onion, tomato, green pepper, and I also have shredded lettuce and black olives, which I'll move over here. And then for sauces, I have out some taco sauce. We also have some hot sauce or Louisiana hot sauce. So my dinner is going to be 9 points tonight. All right, we're gonna get the kitchen cleaned up. Dinner was so good. I enjoyed that. We need to have nachos more often, huh?
Yes, yes we do.
For my snack tonight, I have 4 points, so I like chocolate. I'm addicted to these, seriously. I share these all the time. I get them at Sam's Club. They're the healthy choice. They're 2 points. They are so good. If you love chocolate, oh, and you know what's weird is in the winter, for whatever reason, it's cold, and I like ice cream in the winter. It's strange, but I love it. So I eat ice cream in the winter, sometimes more than I do in the summer. So these are 2 points, and then I'm gonna have a Weight Watcher chocolate pretzel. This actually has pretzel pieces in the candy bar. It is so good. And this is 2 points. So that is my 4 points for the day, bringing me to a total of 23 points. I was right on the nose with this one, did not go over. I wanted to start this year off really well, so I set my alarm. I got up at 7:30, put on my tennis shoes, come out, made my coffee, I put my Fitbit on, which is amazing that I even remembered it. I want to see how many steps I do today. And then I headed out the door on a beautiful walk through our new neighborhood. It is 60 degrees outside and it was perfect for a walk. I just needed a light jacket. I was very surprised that it was so quiet outside because I figured there would be a lot of buses and children going to school, people going to work, but it wasn't. It was very peaceful and I truly enjoyed exploring and walking down each one of the roads around me. There wasn't even a single dog barking out there, which is very odd. So maybe everybody was just thoroughly exhausted from the weekend and wanted to sleep in. Once I came home, I poured myself some coffee and went in to weigh myself before I drank anything. Oh my goodness, getting on the scale is a difficult thing. Sometimes getting on the scale gives me anxiety. And I saw the number and I was like, okay. It's a starting point. I am up from where I was, but it's okay. It's a new year and I am starting off on the right foot. And because I was out in the fresh air and walking, I am actually hungry this morning. Some mornings I'm just not hungry. I don't have an appetite, but this morning I am. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. I have 2 slices of Black Forest ham. I get it from Sam's Club. It is this. So I'm gonna let this heat up in my pan for a few minutes. I'm gonna toast up a piece of bread. I use the 45 calorie Sara Lee Delights. Now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I just beat them just a little bit with a fork. Added some salt and pepper. I like scrambled eggs. I think that's my favorite way to eat an egg is scrambled. Jason loves fried. He loves to dip his toast in the yolk. Normally I have cheese I would put in with the eggs, but I have yet to order my fat-free cheddar cheese and Velveeta cheese, to be honest. I need to put that on my grocery list. And then for the toast, I did remember to order spray butter. I'm so proud of myself. And that is breakfast. It's only 2 points. I wanted to tell you too that this morning, my eggs, I ended up adding an 1/8 cup of cheese to them because that was only 2 points. A 4th cup was like 5 points for regular shredded cheese. It's quite a difference between regular shredded and fat-free. So I did add an 1/8 cup of cheese to my eggs this morning. So good. I have my cup and I'm going to actually wash this first because I forgot to wash it last night and I want a clean cup for today. I'm gonna fill this at least 2 times throughout the day, add some ice to make it nice and cold and chilled, and I'm gonna be sipping on this throughout the day. Yesterday, I was on my game and I remembered to make some tuna fish salad. So in my tuna fish, I like onions, celery. I do not have fat-free or light Miracle Whip, but I do like Miracle Whip in mine. I'm still working on filling up the refrigerator with better choiced foods along with the pantry. So I just used regular Miracle Whip in my tuna fish. I like to toast mine up, so I'm gonna use this Delights 45 calorie bread. Same thing as what I used this morning. I do not have any lettuce. That is the one thing that I need to put on my grocery list. I forgot I had these. I have wheat thins. I'm gonna have 13 of these and that is 4 points. Another thing I need to add to my grocery list is Laughing Cow cheese wedges. I'm lost without them. I remembered it the other day. I was like, oh, I forgot to order those too. But I like to take the wheat thins and dip them in the wedge of cheese. Oh, so good. But I like it like that with apples too. Yeah, I need to get some. I am looking so forward to dinner tonight. Dinner is going to be barbecue chicken. It is gorgeous outside. It's in the 70s, so it's a perfect day to fire up the grill. I have the chicken on the grill going. Listen to that sizzle. And for seasonings, I am using just regular seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I need to find a side to go along with our chicken, so let's go see what we can find. I have a bag of potatoes. I'm going to air fry some potatoes for whoever wants those. We're in the garage freezer. I have these vegetables. I'm gonna make 2. They're just a California style vegetable mix and they're in a steamable bag and they'll be perfect in the microwave. I hear Cooper barking. There's a bunch of dogs barking, so he thinks he needs to jump in on it. But this is the barbecue sauce we're gonna use. You can use sugar-free. For 2 tablespoons of this, it is 4 points because 3 ounces of chicken is 0 points, so I figure I can go ahead and just use that 4 points tonight. So I have 3 ounces of chicken. I just went ahead and cut mine up. It's just easier to eat. And then I have some vegetables. Now it's time for a snack. Okay, you can hear the dishwasher running, so sorry about that. But tonight for my snack, I am going to do this Kodiak Muffin Power Cup. It is blueberry. There is 12 grams of protein, and it is only 7 points. The calories are 260 calories. All you do is put a 1/4 cup of cold water into the mix, pop it in the microwave for 60 seconds, and you have a blueberry muffin. These are really super good. And if you want to, you can top it with no sugar, sugar-free whipped cream. If you enjoyed this What I Eat in 2 days, make sure to give me a thumbs up. My steps today come out to 6.6 steps. I did not reach 10,000, but that's okay. It was actually a lot higher of a number than what I expected. Going for that walk this morning helped me out tremendously, and also taking Cooper for a walk later on in the afternoon, that was a big help too. Any little bit helps to burn calories, and I'm all about that. Are you looking for more Weight Watcher meal ideas or what I eat in a day? Here are 2 more videos for you to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.